You know how sometimes a contract feels like a black box? You sign it, store it, and don't revisit until something goes wrong? That's exactly why I decided to test Supercontracts. I wanted to see whether it breaks open that box or just puts a new lid on it. Supercontracts presents itself as a contract management service with an emphasis on using blockchain wallet connectivity to verify identity, store agreements, and enforce terms. The setup is unusual. Instead of typical username/password logins, users connect via wallets, which ties each contract to a digital identity. Contracts are stored on the blockchain, giving them immutability and tamper evidence. Once your wallet is connected, you can initiate a contract workflow. You upload or generate the agreement, assign participants by wallet addresses, and execute signatures within the system. The smart contract in the blockchain sense can enforce key terms automatically, such as payments or penalties, once conditions are met. You also get a ledger of changes and who signed what when. Because transactions are on-chain, there's a permanent record that parties can audit independently. On the upside, the immutability and transparency features are powerful. Having every change, signature, and version stamped in a decentralized ledger means no one can stealthily swap terms. Disputes are easier to resolve because proof is baked into the contract history. The wallet-based identity also reduces reliance on password systems or third-party user management. For organizations or industries that demand highest levels of auditability, legal, financial, or high-risk sectors, these features can be compelling. However, there are trade-offs and caveats. First, blockchain smart contracts limit flexibility. Not every legal nuance translates cleanly into code. Complex clauses, subjective judgments, or negotiated addenda may not be expressible in the protocol. The wallet interface can be a barrier for non-crypto native participants. If someone is unfamiliar with digital wallets, key management, gas fees, or blockchain confirmations, adoption friction is real. There's also the question of privacy. On-chain data is visible to some degree, unless extra encryption layers or private chains are used. Finally, for many businesses, integrating this blockchain paradigm into existing workflows, legal review processes, or enterprise systems may require custom work and change management. Supercontracts seems best suited for organizations operating in or adjacent to blockchain ecosystems, DeFi, crypto projects, tokenized assets, or where on-chain enforceability is a key value. If your contracts are mostly traditional, service agreements, licensing, supply with heavy negotiation, or legal drafting variability, a conventional CLM may remain more practical. In summary, Supercontracts bring something different, a forcing function toward incorruptible, identity-anchored, blockchain-enforced contracts. It won't replace every contract system you know today, but it offers a radical choice for environments where trust, auditability, and tamper resistance matter above all. If you try it, I'd love to know how the real-world experience matched the promise.